due to popular demand, and me being out of college, and me stealing lots of glassware from my chem lab, thinking I'm going to do another science with Rizzie. So, since it's been a while, I'm going to do a really cool one. So, stick around. For this experiment, you're going to first need some split peas, a little bit of water, a pinch of salt, 2 tablespoons of dish soap, meat tenderizer, and a little bit of rubbing alcohol. First thing you're going to do, you're going to get a blender that I have conveniently right here. You're going to take the blender, you're going to put about as many as you want. I'm going to use this much of your split peas, and then just enough water to cover the split peas. Like that. Then, put in some salt. After this is done, you're going to blend it. And then strain it into another cup. You're going to add, you don't need to add all the dish soap, but about a tablespoon or so of dish soap. Give it a quick mix. It's nice and swirly. And then you're going to wait 10 minutes. Great. Okay, now that that's over with, you're gonna take your soup and stuff, and you're gonna pour it into a test tube. You probably don't have a test tube. That's okay, just use like a cup. Just a little bit, you only want that much. Take the meat tenderizer, pour a little sprinkle of it in, shake it up a bit. Then take your isopropyl alcohol and just pour it in very lightly, very gently. Whoop! You start seeing white stringy stuff forming right where you pour the alcohol. That stuff right there is DNA. Here's probably a better example. You see this big clump right here? Probably don't. But like, there you go. Kind of see it. Right there. That clump. This is DNA. I split the pDNA, pretty much. Which then caused this stuff to form. But the only problem is that it can't form in water. Water and alcohol have different solubilities, which means different things can dissolve in them. So, therefore, when I added the alcohol, it separated the split DNA from the split peas, and it rose to the top because alcohol is lighter than water. So then you get a nice bit of DNA, your alcohol on top, and you can see that you have 3 different sections, and with some luck, you can get yourself some DNA. You can try this with pretty much anything that's alive. I would not recommend to try with anything that's alive and conscious. But if you're into that shit, go ahead. And there you have it. You got the little bits of DNA and DNA soup. What a nice souvenir. Give it to your mom for Mother's Day. Give it to your kids to play with. Give it to your dog. Don't let it eat, though. Give it to your kids. Let them eat it. See what happens. Alright. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one. I might have some later this month. Maybe later this summer. Don't know, matters on how busy I am. But I hope you enjoyed this one. See you guys.